Hey guys, what's going on? All right guys, one more time. Hey guys, what's going on? It's JJ here, and we are at part 5 of the video at completion of the patio here in Verona. If you see here, we're pretty much done with the retaining walls and all the sides. And if you come close to me, we're going to look at the stairs that we completed on both sides, that you can come up, down, and back up, and down the other side. So very convenient for the client, for them to have both sides to actually walk up and down. Now, as you see, we completed the border, dark border all along here, following, wrapping all around there. Also, we did the drainage too, which comes down from the downspout, and it's underneath, and it's all the way out there, which is very hard to see, but yeah, it's over there. So guys, this is the completion of this project. Their landscapers are going to come out here and finish up all around here and make it very beautiful. We got to get our stuff out of here, but we're going to move to the next project over in Bluefield, Fairfield, and also we got the deck project over in West Caldwell. Guys, thank you for watching this video. As always, you're always beautiful. Stay amazing.